And go down the support. Mama, can you have something? But it has protein in it.
Do you have the hiccups too? Yeah? You and the baby? You're hiccuping and so is the baby.
I stop now.
Yeah, sure you did. For the baby? Nope.
I see that she's. I see that it's moving. That's her.
Yep. That's her little hiccups.